Hindi kagaya. Ang hilo. Madi makita to.
Nametto ang daba pa.
First to march, ladies and gentlemen, are the district countesses. Marching towards the front is Miss Princess Mario G. Tobolga. Princess Mario G. Tobolga is the daughter of Miss Marilena P. She was sponsored by District 1, led by Kagawad Edward Presidio. Let's give her a warm applause.
Next March, marching toward the throne is Miss Margaret Bernadette A. Cavite. Margaret Bernadette A. Cavite is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Edismer A. Cavite. She was sponsored by District 4 under the leadership of Kagawad Danilo. A round of applause, please.
Marching now towards the front is Miss Princess Domingo. Princess Domingo is the daughter of Mrs. Noemi Domingo. Miss Princess Domingo was sponsored by District 3, led by Kagawad Clarita Noruego. Let's give her a round of applause.
This time, we will welcome our second princess as she marches towards the throne. Our second princess, Miss Wendy Dorwello. Marching toward the throne are the sons and crown bearers of the second princess. Let's give them a big hand.
Jadi,
Marching toward the throne are the
naganan.
lower layer of Miss Second Princess, Miss Wendy Dorwello.
Diyan ni Gwen, di ka mo kinala.
Followed by the sons and crown bearer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the second princess, Miss Gwen C. Dorwello and her escort.
Escort na gaya ni Kiki. Oh.
Marching on to the throne is the second princess. Our second princess, Miss Gwen, is the daughter of Miss Remelin C. Dorwello. Second Princess Gwen was sponsored